Most people don't realize that the backyard flock of our grandparents' era wasn't made of fragile hybrids bred for industrial cages. It was built on indestructible birds that could weather blizzards, droughts, and forgotten summers, birds that produced meat for the table and eggs with relentless consistency, even when feed was scarce. What if I told you there are still rare chicken breeds alive today, some weighing close to 15 pounds, that lay eggs almost daily? Breeds pushed to the edge of extinction by modern factory systems that replaced resilient, dual-purpose birds with birds that burn out in a single season. These are not fancy showbirds. They are forgotten survivors carrying ancestral genetics that could secure your family's food supply when supply chains waver. Today, we're uncovering 9 of these legendary breeds, nearing extinction each one, a quiet rebellion against fragile dependence. And stay with me, because at numbers 10 and 11, the revelations get even more profound. Breeds that challenge everything you thought you knew about what a chicken can endure and deliver. Imagine stepping into your backyard at dawn. The first frost clings to the grass. Your coop door creaks open, and there they stand, massive, steady forms moving with deliberate patience. No frantic pecking, no collapse under stress, just quiet, relentless production. These birds don't just survive modern uncertainties, they thrive in them. And their story begins with knowledge our ancestors guarded but the modern world nearly erased. Number 1. The Jersey Giant. Picture a bird so commanding it was bred in 19th century New Jersey, specifically to rival the Thanksgiving turkey on the dinner table. The Jersey Giant, Gallus domesticus, developed from black Langshan, dark Brahma, and Java lines, stands as America's heavyweight champion. Roosters routinely reach 13 to 15 pounds, hens 10 to 11 pounds, with some individuals towering nearly 26 inches tall on long, sturdy legs. This breed emerged when American farmers needed a true dual-purpose giant that could deliver substantial meat without sacrificing egg production entirely. It was patient, cold-hardy, and built for real homestead life. Yet industrial poultry prioritized faster-growing, lighter birds, confined indoors. The Jersey Giant's deliberate growth and impressive size made it less efficient on paper, so its numbers dwindled. Today, it sits on conservation watch lists, its genetics quietly fading as backyard keepers chase trendy hybrids. Why does it matter now? In an era of climate volatility and potential feed shortages, this bird's sheer mass means more protein per animal. Its genetics favor hardiness over hyperproduction, allowing it to forage effectively and maintain condition when commercial feeds run thin. For self-reliant homeowners facing uncertain winters or supply disruptions, the Jersey Giant offers security, substantial meat when you need it, without the fragility of fast-maturing crosses. Caring for them is straightforward yet rewarding. Provide a spacious run at least 10 square feet per bird to accommodate their size and prevent leg stress. They tolerate cold well with adequate shelter and deep litter, but protect their large combs from frostbite in extreme sub-zero conditions. Feed a quality layer pellet supplemented with kitchen scraps, greens, and free-range foraging. They lay large brown eggs, typically 150 to 200 per year, or roughly 3 to 4 per week during peak seasons, consistent enough for daily collection in a small flock. They are docile and friendly, making them ideal for families. The Jersey Giant didn't ask for the spotlight. It simply endured. And in your backyard, it will stand as a living reminder that bigger, slower, and stronger often outlast the fleeting promises of modernity. Number 2. The Brahma. Whispers of ancient Asian bloodlines flow through the Brahma chicken, a majestic giant developed in the United States from Shanghai fowl imported in the 1800s. Often called the king of poultry, Brahmas feature feathered legs, a broad, deep body, and serene demeanor. Roosters can exceed 12 pounds, hens around 10 pounds, with striking plumage in light, dark, or buff varieties that evokes an almost regal presence in the coop. Their origin story ties to 19th century American enthusiasm for exotic imports, where they quickly became exhibition favorites and reliable homestead providers. They produced respectable meat yields and steady brown eggs while displaying remarkable docility and cold tolerance thanks to their dense feathering. Yet as commercial operations favored leaner, faster layers and broilers, the Brahma's slower maturation and larger frame pushed it toward rarity. Many lines were diluted or lost, leaving pure heritage stock increasingly scarce. In today's unpredictable climate, the Brahma matters profoundly. Its feathered shanks protect against mud and cold, and its calm nature reduces stress-related health issues common in crowded or chaotic environments. For homeowners in northern states facing harsh winters or those seeking low-maintenance flocks, this breed conserves energy and resources. It forages well and handles temperature swings better than many lighter breeds. Raising Brahmas requires attention to space and footing. Give them room to move without constant confinement, as their size demands it. A draft-free coop with good ventilation prevents respiratory issues in humid or cold conditions. Supplement their diet with grit, oyster shell for strong eggshells, and plenty of greens or forage. They lay approximately 150 large brown eggs annually, often continuing through milder winter months when other breeds slow down. The Brahma moves through your yard like a patient guardian. Underestimated for decades, it now offers a path back to balanced, resilient poultry, keeping that honors both abundance and endurance. Number 3. The Java. One of America's oldest chicken breeds, the Java traces its roots to the early 1800s, developed from Asian stock and refined on U.S. soil into a hardy dual-purpose bird. Named not after the island, but evoking its exotic heritage, Javas come in black, mottled, and white varieties. They boast a long, rectangular body, strong legs, and glossy plumage. Roosters reach 9 to 10 pounds. Hens, 7 to 8 pounds substantial without the extreme height of giants. Farmers once prized Javas for excellent meat quality, tender, flavorful white meat, and consistent egg laying. They were tough foragers, thriving on pasture with minimal supplemental feed. The rise of specialized industrial lines rendered their balanced traits less profitable on paper. Disease pressures, loss of small farms, and preference for hybrid vigor further marginalized pure Java lines, placing them on critical conservation lists today. Their relevance surges in an age of soil degradation and water scarcity. Javas excel at foraging, converting bugs, greens, and scraps into eggs and meat efficiently. Their genetics carry natural disease resistance honed over centuries of outdoor living, reducing reliance on medications. For preparedness-minded families, this breed represents self-sufficiency that doesn't demand constant inputs. To raise Java successfully, emphasize free-ranging or a large, enriched run. They handle both heat and cold reasonably well but appreciate shade in summer. Provide a standard layer ration plus calcium sources. They produce 150 to 200 medium to large brown eggs per year, with good winter persistence in many climates. Docile yet active, they integrate well into mixed flocks. The Java survived quietly through America's agricultural upheavals. In your care, it revives a lineage that proves true resilience comes from balance, not specialization. Number 4. The Cubalaya. From the sun-drenched farms of Cuba comes the Cubalaya, a striking breed developed in the early 20th century from Spanish, Cuban, and Asian influences. It features a unique pea-comb, elegant carriage, and plumage that can include black, white, or blue varieties. Though not the heaviest roosters around 6 to 7 pounds, hens 4 to 5 pounds, it carries a robust, active build suited for tropical and temperate zones alike. Cubalayas earned admiration for dual-purpose utility, decent meat, and reliable egg production. 125 to 175 eggs yearly, in challenging conditions. They are active foragers with calm temperaments once settled. Political and economic shifts in Cuba, combined with U.S. industrial farming trends, isolated and diminished their numbers. Today, they rank as critically endangered, their genetic pool narrowing. In a warming climate with increasing heat waves and erratic weather, the Cubalaya's heat tolerance and foraging prowess offer distinct advantages. It thrives where many heavy breeds struggle, turning marginal land into productive output. For southern or variable climate homesteads, it reduces water and feed demands while maintaining output. Care involves secure fencing, as they are active and capable flyers when young. Provide dust baths and varied forage. A quality feed supports their moderate laying of tinted to light brown eggs. They adapt well to free-range or semi-confined systems and show good mothering instincts. The Kubalaya reminds us that elegance and utility can coexist. Overlooked for flashier imports, it now stands ready to anchor resilient flocks in uncertain times. Number 5. The La Flèche. France's legendary La Flèche, meaning the arrow, carries a dramatic profile with its V-shaped comb resembling horns and sleek black plumage. Developed centuries ago for both meat and exceptional egg production, roosters weigh around 8 pounds, hens 6 to 7 pounds. They move with alert grace, reflecting their historical role as prized farm birds. This breed once supplied elite tables with fine white meat and laid over 200 large white eggs annually, with remarkable consistency. Its French rural heritage emphasized hardiness and flavor over volume. Industrial standardization and the shift to hybrid layers caused its decline. Pure lines became rare as focus turned to high-output commercial strains. Today, amid concerns over food security and nutrient-dense eggs, La Flèche offers superior egg quality and a leaner carcass prized by those valuing taste over quantity. Its genetics support strong immune function and adaptability, valuable as diseases evolve and climates shift. Raising La Flèche requires protection from predators due to their active nature, though they are not overly flighty. A spacious run encourages natural behaviors. They perform best with free-choice oyster shell and a balanced diet. Expect consistent large white eggs, often 200+ per year in optimal conditions, with decent cold tolerance when sheltered. La Flèche flies through challenges with precision. Its near-extinction status only heightens its value as a bridge to forgotten European poultry wisdom. Number 6. The Holland. The Holland chicken represents one of the few truly American-developed egg breeds, refined in the mid-20th century for white egg production with utility traits. It features a clean-legged, upright build in white or barred varieties. Roosters reach about 8.5 pounds, hens 6.5 pounds solid without excess bulk. Bred for reliable laying in northern climates, Hollands produce large white eggs efficiently while retaining some meat qualities. They were overshadowed by hyper-specialized leghorn lines and commercial hybrids that promised more for less input. Their numbers dropped sharply, landing them on critical lists as small farm diversity eroded. In an era of indoor living and potential energy shortages, the Holland's cold hardiness and steady production matter. It forages moderately well and maintains laying through cooler months better than many breeds, supporting household self-reliance without artificial lighting extremes. Provide a well-ventilated coop to prevent moisture buildup in cold weather. They adapt to confinement or ranging. Standard layer feed with greens suffices. They lay around 200 to 250 large white eggs yearly with good persistence. The Holland carries quiet American ingenuity. Its survival depends on those who recognize that consistent, hardy layers form the backbone of true preparedness. Number 7. The Redcap. England's Redcap stands out with its massive rose-style comb and rich reddish-brown plumage. A historic utility breed, roosters weigh 7 to 8 pounds, hens around 6 pounds. It was developed for both eggs and meat in harsher British conditions. Redcaps once delivered 180 to 220 eggs per year, alongside respectable table birds. Their active foraging and vigor suited traditional smallholdings. Modern confinement systems and preference for uniform commercial birds diminished their presence. Pure stock is now rare. For today's variable soils and water concerns, the Redcap's foraging efficiency conserves resources. Its genetics promote robustness, helping flocks withstand parasites or minor illnesses with less intervention, key for natural health approaches. Give them ample space to roam and scratch. They handle cold but need comb protection. Balanced feed plus forage supports their production of tinted to light brown eggs. The Redcap embodies understated British resilience. Once common, it now offers a path to flocks that earn their keep through quiet strength. Darred layer feed with greens suffices. They lay around 200 to 250 large white eggs yearly with good persistence. The Holland carries quiet American ingenuity. Its survival depends on those who recognize that consistent, hardy layers form the backbone of true preparedness. Number 8. The Dominique, America's oldest chicken breed. The ***. Dominique features distinctive barred plumage and a calm, practical nature. Roosters average 7 to 8 pounds, hens 5 to 6 pounds. Developed from early colonial stock, it served as a versatile farm bird for generations. Dominiques laid around 200 to 250 light brown eggs yearly, while providing flavorful meat. They foraged superbly and showed natural broodiness. The rise of specialized breeds and loss of small farms reduced their numbers dramatically at points, though backyard interest has helped stabilize some lines. In climate-stressed environments, their hardiness and excellent foraging reduce dependency on purchased feeds. They thrive on pasture, turning backyard resources into daily nutrition, ideal for self-reliant gardens and preparedness. Raise them with standard housing and predator-proof runs. They integrate peacefully, provide layer feed and calcium. Expect consistent production even in moderate winters. The Dominique is a living piece of American agrarian heritage. Its patient return to favor signals a broader awakening to forgotten strengths. 9. The Buckeye. Developed in Ohio by a woman passionate about utility birds, the Buckeye, boasts rich mahogany plumage, peacocke, and a robust frame. Roosters reach 9 pounds, hens 6 to 7 pounds. It was created for cold, hardy, dual purpose in the American Midwest. Buckeyes deliver around 200 brown eggs annually, alongside good meat yields. Their vigor and foraging ability made them favorites on family farms. Competition from